Hey my friends, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So, want to do a quick video about some of the different jobs, show you some of the things that we do here in the shop. So, this is a 6.7 turbo diesel Cummins engine. It came out of that Dodge Ram right there, Ram 3500. And it's a hot shot truck. I believe it's got around 350,000 miles, something like that on it. But anyhow, this particular client had had some repairs done on this engine somewhere else, a different state or different country. And I believe he might have got an inferior repair done. The truck came here on a tow truck. It would still run, but just barely run. Whenever we started it up, it just sounded horrible. It was rattling, it was knocking, it was making all kinds of bad noises. My technician pulled an oil sample and there's a bunch of metal inside the oil sample. And so we was able to find him a different engine out of a truck that had been wrecked that we installed in that. So we're going to show y'all some pictures of some of the repair along the way. But my technician just got done driving the truck. It sounds amazing. It sounds great. And as you can tell, it's all put back together. Look at that. So we're going to do a few more test drives today, work out a couple of bugs. I think we got one little electrical problem that he's still in the middle of chasing out. But we're going to have this guy back going down the road here later on this week. He can make money, we'll make money, everybody makes money. And when the trucks are rolling down the road, the American economy succeeds. I'll see you in the next video.